In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view deleted tasks in Asana. If a task vanished and you're trying to confirm what happened or simply need to review recent removals, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look so you can stay on top of your work. Start on the homepage in Asana. This is the central dashboard you see when you first sign in, and it gives you a clear snapshot of your day. Before you go any further, make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization, especially if you're part of multiple teams. Deleted items are tied to the space they belong to, so being in the right place matters. Next, head to Search. You'll find the search bar at the top of the Asana interface. It's the fastest way to look across projects, tasks, and activity. Deleted tasks don't live inside individual projects anymore, so Search is where Asana centralizes them for easy review. When the search panel opens, you'll notice quick filters and suggested options that help you zero in on exactly what you need. Now choose the deleted option. This brings up a dedicated view of tasks that were removed within the past 30 days. Asana automatically retains deleted tasks for that period, which gives you a reliable audit window without cluttering your day-to-day boards. In this list, you'll typically see the task name, the project it came from, and other helpful details that provide context about what was removed and when. From here, you can scan the results to confirm whether a task is truly gone or simply in the deleted list. If you remember part of a title or a keyword, the search field can help narrow things down. Keep in mind that you'll only see deleted tasks you had permission to access in the first place, and guests or limited access users may see fewer items. If nothing appears, it often means either no tasks were deleted in the last month, you're in the wrong workspace, or your window is too small to show the full search panel. Expanding your browser can help. A few useful notes. The deleted list focuses on tasks, including subtasks. Other object types may behave differently. After 30 days, Asana permanently clears these items, so timely review is important. Organizations may also have policies about who can manage deleted content, so follow your team's guidelines if you're auditing or documenting changes, and that's all there is to it. Go to Home, open Search, select Deleted, and you can quickly review items removed in the last 30 days to keep your projects accurate and your team aligned.